Alright, thanks for joining my channel, The Eclectic Life. What I'm doing here is, so I just got this Migcart. I just did a video on about the Snap On haul. So in that video I explained that I just had got this Mig plasma cart. So I'm just setting it up, putting my welder on it and put the plasma on it, put the tank on it. I doubt I'll use it today, but it's going to free up some floor space for sure, and it's going to look pretty. So hang this one on this side, and do the tank right. Fluid will stay on there. I'm probably going to have to put some kind of holder to hold the actual nozzle piece. It took us 20 minutes to do that. Cable. Get this one. This one here. Right there. Maybe I'll write that being right there, man. Alright, so we got that on there. I'm gonna go grab the plasma right quick. This is just a super cheap plasma from old Amazon. Alright, I don't know, my camera cut off for some reason. So I got the plasma put in there. Obviously it fits really good, really nice. Plenty of room. We'll put, consumables down on the bottom shelf, I guess. I got the tank in there too. The camera cut off right when I brought this out. I don't know what happened. But anyways, got everything set up. Got the tank strapped in, connected to the welder. I was also talking about this while the camera was off apparently. I'm going to put a piece of wood back here in the back to keep that from going back any further, because you saw it just slid back whenever I was moving the cart. So I might do the same thing with the plasma to keep it from bumping that air fitting right there. So a little bit about the plasma I was talking about when the camera was off is this plasma is just a cheap little Amazon plasma. 50 amps, it goes up to 50 amps. And I mean, I cut through the truck frame over there with it before I realized that it was not fixable. Well, everything's fixable, but it just wasn't practical. And I wasn't sure it was gonna last. So, point being is it'll cut through that frame, so I'm sure it'll cut through a lot of stuff that you know the average person would be using. So it's got the post air time, how long it keeps spraying the air after you get done cutting. It's automatic detection with the 110, 220, whatever, 120, 240, whatever. So you max 50, and I think it goes all the way down to like 5 or something, I don't know, 10. So it's pretty nice. That fan cuts on. You can't run more than 6. What I was going to say about the fan is it cuts on and keeps it nice and cool. That's for sure. Same with the Miller. You can hear those fans when they kick in. What I was going to say about the plasma is you can't run more than 60 psi to it, or to start leaking on the air fitting for some reason. The little setup they give you, it's not a big deal. Probably need to replace it, but it works. And as I was saying earlier, I don't know how to weld, but this is gonna make it easier to learn for sure. As you can see where I got that card right there. So yeah, we'll be talking about this next, and some of the other stuff I got from Snap On as well. Thanks for watching my channel, The Eclectic Life. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Trying to get to 200 subscribers. I know that's not very many, but I'm a super new channel. Been around about a year maybe. Just kind of messing with it. So thanks for watching The Eclectic Life.